സിവിൽ സർവീസ് എക്സാമിനേഷന് ലക്ഷ്യമിട്ടുണ്ട്. IAS എക്സാമിനേഷന് ലക്ഷ്യമിട്ടുണ്ട്. ചെറിയ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ 7ാം ക്ലാസ് തൊട്ട് ഉള്ള കുട്ടികൾക്ക് 6 തൊട്ട് 10 വരെയുള്ള ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പഠിക്കുന്ന കുട്ടികൾക്ക് സീരിയസ് ആസ്പിരൻസിന് IAS ആസ്പിരൻസിന് ഒരു ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഉണ്ടാക്കുക എന്ന ലക്ഷ്യത്തോടു കൂടിയിട്ടാണ് സിവിൽ സർവീസ് ട്രെയിനിങ് രംഗത്ത് ഹൈദരാബാദിലെ വർഷങ്ങളായിട്ട് പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്ന ശിക്ഷ ട്രസ്റ്റും ഇൻസ്പയർ ലേണിംഗ് കമ്പനിയും ചേർന്ന് കേരളത്തിലുടനീളം സ്കൂൾ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള സിവിൽ സർവീസ് ഫൗണ്ടേഷൻ വർക്ക്ഷോപ്പ് കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ തീരുമാനിച്ചതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ ആലപ്പുഴയിൽ ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാം ജൂലൈ 12-ാം തീയതി 13 തീയതികളിൽ STV സെൻട്രൽ സ്കൂൾ ഓഡിറ്റോറിയത്തിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ ശിക്ഷാ ട്രസ്റ്റിൻ്റെ ഹൈദരാബാദിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ഫാക്കൽറ്റി ആണ് അതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കുന്നത്. ഡോക്ടർ AP ശശികുമാർ സ്പേസ് സയൻറ്റിസ്റ്റ് കൂടിയായ ശിക്ഷാ ട്രസ്റ്റിൻ്റെ ഡയറക്ടറാണ് 2 ദിവസങ്ങളിൽ ആലപ്പുഴ ജില്ലയിലെ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ക്ലാസ് നിർണ്ണയിക്കുന്നത്. 1-ാം തീയതി ശനിയാഴ്ച രാവിലെ 9 മണിക്ക് ആരംഭിക്കും, വൈകുന്നേരം 5 മണി വരെ. അതുപോലെ ഞായറാഴ്ച മുതൽ രാവിലെ തൊട്ട് വൈകുന്നേരം വരെയാണ് ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാം. ശനിയാഴ്ച രാവിലെ 9 മണിക്ക് പ്രോഗ്രാം ഉദ്ഘാടനം ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ആലപ്പുഴ MP KC എന്നുള്ള സമയം തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. രാവിലെ 9 മണിക്കാണ് അതിൻ്റെ ഇനോഗ്രേഷൻ. അപ്പോൾ സ്കൂൾ കുട്ടികളിൽ നിന്ന് ഒരു കൂട്ടം IAS ആസ്പിരൻസിനെ ഉണ്ടാക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ലക്ഷ്യം. ഒരു കൂട്ടം ആസ്പിരൻസ് ഉണ്ടാകുമ്പോൾ സ്വാഭാവികമായിട്ടും അവരിൽ നിന്ന് അടുത്ത സ്റ്റേജിലോട്ട് വരുമ്പോൾ ഒരു കൂട്ടം IAS-കാരും ഉണ്ടാകും എന്ന പ്രതീക്ഷയാണ് ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാമിന്റെ പ്രയോജനം. 2 വർഷമായിട്ട് ഞങ്ങളുടെ മുന്നിലുള്ളത് ആഗ്രഹമാണ്. പക്ഷേ ഇതിന് റിസോഴ്സ് പേഴ്സണാണ് ഇതിന്റെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ ലിമിറ്റേഷൻ. കേരളത്തിൽ നിന്ന് മാത്രം നമുക്ക് ഇതിന് സുലഭമായിട്ടുള്ള ആൾക്കാരെ കണ്ടെത്താൻ, പ്രൊഫഷണൽസിനെ കണ്ടെത്താൻ സാധിക്കാതെ വന്നതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ വളരെ ആവശ്യമായിട്ടും ഈ ശിക്ഷാ ട്രസ്റ്റ് സമാനമായ ഒരു ആശയമായിട്ട് വന്നു. ആവശ്യമായിട്ട് കൂടി മുന്നേറി
കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾ നല്ല മാർക്കോട് പാസ്സായി. ഡിഗ്രി ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇയർ വന്നപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങളുടെ വേറൊരു ശശിയാണ് BSc മാത്തമാറ്റിക്സിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ ഒന്നിച്ച് പഠിക്കുന്നു. വളരെ സീരിയസ് ആയ സ്റ്റുഡൻറ്റ്. എന്തോ തീരുമാനിച്ചുറച്ച്, മനസ്സിൽ തീരുമാനിച്ചുറച്ച് അത് നേടിയെടുക്കുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള നിശ്ചയദാർഢ്യത്തോടെ എടുക്കുന്ന ഒരു സ്റ്റുഡൻറ്റ്. ഞാൻ പിന്നീട് ഉഴപ്പി രാഷ്ട്രീയമൊക്കെ ആയി ഇലക്ഷൻ മത്സരിക്കുകയും കൗൺസിലർ ആവുകയും ഒക്കെ ചെയ്ത് ഞാൻ ഇലക്ഷനിലും വോളിബോളും സ്പോർട്സും ഒക്കെ ആയിട്ട്. പക്ഷെ ശശി വളരെ കോൺസെൻട്രേറ്റഡ് എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ ആയിരുന്നു. അതിന്റെ ഫലം അയാൾ BSc നല്ല മാർക്കോടുകൂടി പാസ്സായി. എന്നേക്കാൾ മോളിൽ വന്ന് മാർക്ക് വാങ്ങിച്ചു. പിന്നെ പക്ഷേ പിടിച്ചാൽ കിട്ടിയില്ല. അദ്ദേഹം കൊച്ചിൻ യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റി MSc ചേർന്നു. പിന്നീട് സയന്റിസ്റ്റ് ആന്ധ്രയിൽ. ഇപ്പൊ ശശിയോട് ഡിഗ്രി നിങ്ങൾ ചോദിച്ചാൽ ഏത് കാര്യത്തിലാണ് ശശിക്ക് അഭിപ്രായം പറയാൻ പറ്റാത്തത്? അതോറിറ്റിയാണ് മിക്കവാറും. ഞാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം എൻ്റെ ഡൽഹിയിലെ വീട്ടിൽ ശശി വന്ന് അപ്പോൾ വാസ്തു നോക്കിയിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞു ഈ വീടിന്റെ വാസ്തു ഇത്രയും ചേഞ്ച് വരുന്നുള്ളൂ. വാസ്തു പുള്ളിക്ക് വിവരമുണ്ട്, ജ്യോതിഷത്തിൽ പുള്ളിക്ക് വിവരമുണ്ട്, സ്പേസ് റിസർച്ചിൽ വിവരമുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ ഏത് സബ്ജക്റ്റിനെ കുറിച്ചും പഠിക്കാനുള്ള മനസ്സ് വരുത്തക്കവണ്ണം മാനസിക നിലയെ മാറ്റിയെടുക്കാൻ കഴിയുന്നതാണ്. സത്യത്തില് അതാണ് ഒരു വിദ്യാർത്ഥി ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്ന പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട കാരണം. നമുക്ക് എല്ലാം, നമ്മൾ മനുഷ്യന് ബുദ്ധിയുള്ളവരാണ്, മൃഗങ്ങളെ പോലെയല്ല. ദൈവം മനുഷ്യനെ സൃഷ്ടിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് എല്ലാം മനസ്സിലാക്കാനും എല്ലാം ഗ്രാസ്പ് ചെയ്യാനും എല്ലാം നേടിയെടുക്കാനും ഒരു ചലഞ്ചിങ് പവർ നൽകിക്കൊണ്ടാണ്. പക്ഷെ മനഃപൂർവ്വമായിട്ട് നമ്മളെ കുഴപ്പം, നമുക്കിത് കഴിവില്ല നമ്മൾ തന്നെ സമാധാനിക്കും, നമുക്കിത് വഴങ്ങിയില്ലാന്ന് നമ്മൾ തന്നെ തീരുമാനിക്കും, നമുക്കിതൊന്നും യോജിച്ചില്ലെന്ന് നമ്മൾ തന്നെ തീരുമാനിക്കും. അതിൽ ആശ്വാസം അടഞ്ഞ് കിട്ടുന്നത് കൊണ്ട് മതിയാക്കി നമ്മളൊക്കെ പോകും. അതാണ് മനുഷ്യന്റെ സ്വാഭാവികമായ നമ്മുടെ ഒരു മടിയുടെ ലക്ഷണം. പക്ഷെ ഇവിടെ ഞാൻ കണ്ടത്, ഞാൻ പറയാൻ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഒരു സ്വകാര്യ ജീവിതത്തെ കുറിച്ച് അവതരിപ്പിക്കാറുണ്ട്. ഞാൻ കണ്ടത് ഒരു സാധാരണ ആവറേജിന്റെ താഴെ നിന്നൊരു വിദ്യാർത്ഥി, സത്യത്തിൽ ബിലോ ആവറേജ് പറയാവുന്ന ഒരു വിദ്യാർത്ഥി ഡിഗ്രി ക്ലാസ് പഠിക്കുമ്പോൾ സ്വന്തം മനസ്സിന്റെ തീരുമാനം കൊണ്ട്, നിശ്ചയദാർഢ്യം കൊണ്ട്, ചിലപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങളോടൊക്കെ വാശി ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കാം ഇനിയിപ്പോ തോന്നുന്നത് അന്ന് തുടങ്ങിയത്. പക്ഷെ എന്ത് സബ്ജക്ട് കിട്ടിയാലും അതെനിക്ക് കരകതമാകും എന്ന് തെളിയിക്കത്തക്ക വണ്ണം അറിവിന്റെ പാലാപാലം സൃഷ്ടിച്ചെടുക്കാനും അതിൽ മുങ്ങി തപ്പിയെടുത്ത് എല്ലാ അറിവിന്റെ മുത്തുകളും നേടിയെടുക്കാനും കഴിയുന്ന ഒരു നോളജബിൾ വിസ്ഡമുള്ള പേഴ്സണായിട്ട് മാറാൻ ഡോക്ടർ ടി പി ശശികുമാറിന് കഴിഞ്ഞു. അദ്ദേഹം പ്രധാനമന്ത്രിയുടെ ഓഫീസിലടക്കം ജോലി ചെയ്യത്തക്കവണ്ണം ഇന്ന് വരെ എൻ്റെ അടുത്തൊരു ശുപാർശയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടി പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുമില്ല, വന്നിട്ടുമില്ല, ശുപാർശയോടുകൂടി ഒരു കാര്യം നേടിയിട്ടുമില്ല. സ്വന്തം കഴിവുകൊണ്ട്.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today we have learned about many things that are really useful in our lives. We have learned about that we should have self-discipline.
That's enough. 1 point. Go to next.
Good afternoon, everyone. He also said that we have to focus on our ambitions.
Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. He had also said that we have to be courageous.
Courageous. Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. We learned that we have to improve whatever we are doing.
Good afternoon. Knowing the value of air, water. Good afternoon, everybody. We learned the 5 roles we should perform in our lives. That is, as a student, as a brother or sister, and as a son, and as a citizen of India.
Good afternoon, everyone. We learned about 2 definitions of life, that is living full enjoyment and living full energy.
Like what Ashwin said, I want to just add one more point with that. As a student, as a son, as a friend, as a citizen, I wanted to be 100% in all what I do.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I also learned that we are mostly judged on the way in which we walk. Today I studied that we have to do many things in our life. Don't ever depend only on God.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vidulata Vivek Bhatye.
Wait.
I am Vidulata Vivek Bhatye. I study in 10th standard. I study in Eastbourne English Medium School, and I am a citizen of Maharashtra. I am Adya Vinay. I am studying in 7th standard. I am coming from Eastbourne English Medium School, and I am living in Alapura. Good afternoon. I am Shruti Krishna, and I am in 7th standard. I am studying in Brighton Secondary School, and I am living in Alapura.
I am Arundhati Reddy. I am studying in +1 in DNSS SFS Central School, Chhattisgarh.
I am Arda. I am studying in 10th standard, and I am living in Bangalore.
I am Rishma. I am studying in Srinara Film School in Bangalore, and I speak from Maharashtra.
Good afternoon, one and all. I am Karthik Amas and I am studying in Standard 10 in SDV English Medium Higher Secondary School.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Nandarshkan. I am studying in 8th standard and I am studying in SDV.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Ashwin Rajendran in 8th standard. I am coming from Vidyodaya School, Ernakulam.
Good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself to you. I am Hari Shankar, and I am a 10th standard student, and I am studying in Bada Senior Secondary School, Tumbur.
A place name, not Aroor and all that. Minimum district level you can say. It could be any district in Kerala or outside Kerala, or it could be a state, or it could be a country, right? And in clockwise direction we keep moving. And what you should do is, you will start and you will have to repeat whatever she said and what she said. New. Next person will have to repeat 1, 2 and 3rd. Do it very fast.
Europe, America,
Europe, America.
Europe and America. Europe, America, New York. Europe, America, New York, London. Europe, America,
Look at them. Look at their face.
New York,
Help her.
New York,
Help her. You can help. You can help all the three because you said all the 4.
New York, Europe, America, New York, London, Malaysia. New York, America, London, New York, America, Europe.
Okay, I'll tell you now. Now what you do is, you are not able to do it, right? I'll do one thing. Now you tell only districts in Kerala.
Trivandrum, Alapi.
There is no district. What is the new name?
Kerala. Tirunelveli, Alappuzha, Tirunelveli, Alappuzha, Ernakulam. Tirunelveli, Alappuzha, Ernakulam, Malappuram. Tirunelveli, Kollam. Tirunelveli, Alappuzha, Ernakulam, Malappuram. Kannur, Kollam, Pathanamthitta. Thiruvananthapuram, Alappuzha, Ernakulam, Malappuram, Kannur, Kollam, Pathanamthitta. Sorry.
തെക്കു തിരുവനന്തപുരവും കൊല്ലമലപ്പുഴ കോട്ടയവും പിന്നെ ശബരിമലയുള്ള പന്തനംതിട്ടയും അഴകേറിയ എറണാകുളം അരികത്തിടുക്കിയും അരിവിളയും പാലക്കാടും തൃശ്ശൂരും വാഴയൂർ പഞ്ചായത്തുള്ള മലപ്പുറം കോഴിക്കോട് വയനാട് കണ്ണൂർ അങ്ങ് വടക്കന്റെ കാസർഗോഡും ആന്ധ്രയിലെ എല്ലാ ഡിസ്ട്രിക്റ്റിന്റെയും പേര് തെലുങ്കിൽ ഇതുപോലെ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പൊ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പറ്റുന്നത് എന്താ വെച്ചാൽ പേര് പറയും. Your name. You should repeat her name and your name.
Rakhi Ajala.
Look at them. Rakhi, Ajala.
Ajala Kartika. Rakhi Ajala Kartika Chandana. Rakhi Ajala Kartika Chandana Sumaya. Rakhi Ajala Kartika Chandana Sumaya Samira. Rakhi Ajala Kartika Chandana Sumaya Samira Sandra. Rakhi Ajala Kartika Chandana Sumaya Sanpri. Rakhi Ajala Kartika Chandana Sumaya Samira Sandra Sanpri Paushami. Rakhi Ajala Kartika Chandana Sumaya Samira Sandra Sanpri Paushami.
Rakhi Ajala Kartika Chandana Sumaya Samira Sandra Sanpri Paushami Andhra. Now start here. Good. Your name and next name. Any one of you will get. Nandakrishna. Here. Nandakrishna.
Nandakrishna Rai.
Nandakrishna Rai Sapwan.
Nandakrishna Rai Sapwan Ashwin. Nandakrishna Rai Sapwan Ashwin Roga.
Nandakrishna Rai Sapwan Ashwin
Krishna, Rai, Tapor, Ashwin, Gaudar, Manu, Viku.
Krishna, Rai, Kapur,
Okay, enough. Now you start from here. Vegetable names or fruit names.
Tomato.
Tomato, apple.
Tomato, apple, orange.
Tomato, apple, orange, jackfruit.
Tomato, apple, orange, jackfruit, carrot. Tomato, apple, orange, jackfruit, carrot, pumpkin.
Tomato, apple, orange, jackfruit, carrot, pumpkin, mango.
Tomato, apple, orange, jackfruit, carrot, pumpkin, mango, strawberry.
Tomato, apple, orange, jackfruit, carrot, pumpkin, mango, strawberry, mulberry.
Tomato, apple, orange, jackfruit, carrot, pumpkin, mango, strawberry, mulberry, and grapes.
You stand here, look at their faces and what are all they said. It's the same order. Wait. If he is wrong, you must tell wrong. Okay?
I said pumpkin.
From here, clockwise.
He said that apple, tomato,
That's good. Really good. Now the election is over. The opposition becomes the ruling party. The ruling party becomes opposition. You don't have to change your seats. Right? Those who are facing me will say the class is very bad, useless. The other people will say it is very good. Even if it is very good, it is not this team who can do that. We should find some other best teacher. Yashikumar is a useless fellow. 34 is okay? Start. Turn back fast. അവസാനിരിക്കുന്ന കടി കിട്ടും. നിങ്ങൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു?
here for a long time. It's very hot and fresh air is not available.
May I introduce myself to you? I am Rusal Rashid. I am studying in 9th. I am from Mahara Senior Secondary School. One of the merit of this class were children who didn't know much of IAS got an important introduction from IAS,
And one of the demerit, I think so, the students, they had to be little more punctual. The timing were not kept correctly. So now I invite Safwan to say. Good evening everyone, I am Safwan from class 9 of Mahara Senior Secondary School. One of the merits of this class was that it is given us a building, it's given us a building, base of buildings. Now it's like a base of building. Now we can build on, we can grow more with this effort. Now the demerits is that this class not much of an equal participation. They eventually come in, but not all of them were participating as much as they wanted to.
My name is Ashwin Rajendran. I am studying in class 8 in Vidyodaya School, Ernakulam. One of the merits of this class was that I could meet many new faces that I have never seen before, and I could make many new friends. And sir told us a lot about what is life and how to lead a better life. And one of the demerits is that we as the timing was very a bit long, we couldn't go to our house for doing what we for doing our studies and all.
I am Kirti from Chartala. I am studying in 10th standard in St. Joseph Public School, Patnagar. And through this class, I got much confidence. I learned a lot of things through this class. When I asked a question to sir, he explained it very nicely, and I understand a lot of things from that. The best way to learn ourselves is to ask questions for each and every point to ourselves.
Good evening to all. I am Fatima, a 11th class student in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Alappuzha. Like a building want a foundation to stand straight, I also got a foundation to focus straight in my future. From this class, I got many new ideas how to be self-disciplined, how to inquire about the things that we don't know. If you get something a bit, we want to search a lot more in it, and we have to focus. Even though we are taking a small point, we have to put effort to find lot many things from that. And there are so many positives in this class and less negatives. I was so tired after the journey from my school. My school is about 96 kilometers away from this place. I have traveled this much distance and reached here, and I was so tired. And in the morning session, I feel little tired. Except that, it was a nice class. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I am Arka and I am studying in Standard 10 in Srinarayana Center School of Aimal. The merit is that we get to know how to be a better citizen and to gain IAS.
Good evening. First of all, I want to say that when I face a stage, I used to shiver. But when this is the second time I am coming, and because of that, it is less.
Your name?
My name is Annapanna Krishnan, and I am coming from Mahara Senior Secondary School, 9th standard. And I could not find any demerit in this class. And that's.
Good evening everyone. First of all, I will not be too much in my speech. I will stop with some things. First of all, I am introducing myself. I am Afrini Habib from Mahara Senior Secondary School, studying in 9th standard. From this class, we study most of many things which can be used in our future, and about IAS and the tips for IAS and how can we manage our time and so many things. That's all. Thank you.
Good. Okay. So get back.
Talk about that. we'll be, so as soon as we wake up, we'll be saying that Karagre Vasade Lakshmi, Karamadye Saraswati, Karamule Siddhagaurim, Prabhade Karadarshanam. Means all the abilities are there in your hand. Whichever the slogan you are saying in according to our Bharatiya Sankalpam, whichever the slogan you are reciting, everything is there in your body itself. That was the content he said last. And yesterday, which was something new to me, was he gave 2 explanations of life, which I discussed with my father. He added some more points to it, and he elaborated it again. My father always elaborates whatever I say, along with his own ideas. And yesterday I got many new things which I was not at all knowing about IAS or IPS. So my aim is to reach IAS itself, but I was not knowing much about it. I was not knowing the age limit. I was not knowing anything about what are the basic things we have to. And yesterday he asked about that, preparing 5 different notebooks to write the vocabulary, history, geography, etc. So what I asked my father was also, can you please get me 5 notebooks? Then he asked me, why should you need 5 notebooks? Then again I explained all these things to him. He was surprised to hear all these things, because this is the first time I am asking him that I will make my own notes from the newspaper. Till now I used to read newspaper. I may be collecting some pictures of some of the important news cuttings, especially this Vidya or Padipura. Like that I will be cutting it, I will be filing it. But what happens is that my brother will be taking it, then I won't be getting it back. So he was also happy to, he said it before itself. But I was not that much interested in it. But yesterday the way he explained was something inspirable to me, and that made me do it also. Yesterday itself I started doing it. I collected 5 different notebooks.
Give him a big clap.
Yesterday itself I collected 5 notebooks. I have started written also, but I couldn't cover most of the news. But yesterday I was not feeling so well, so I couldn't collect all the news, but I tried to collect some of them. And I'm not so good in English also. My vocabulary is also limited very much. So I think whatever he said was right. I could improve my English from now onwards. Not now onwards, yesterday night itself I could improve it. I could become better. With these words were somewhat like promises that I gave to my father. He was so happy. I haven't seen him this much happy before. Thank you.
Good morning all. I am Farsana. I am 11th student from Government HSS Kalavur. Yesterday I discussed about this class to my mother and my sister. She was so jealous with me that she can't attend this class. And I discussed her about the various services that we can done for India, like IES, etc. And she was so surprised to hear that there are something more than IAS. And I said her that you have to improve your English, and I promised my mother that from today onwards I will try to improve my English language. And I asked her that how much mark will you give me in 100 as a best daughter. She had said me that whenever I achieve the IAS, or whenever I achieve my ambitions with all capacity I have, then she will give me the 100 marks. Thank you.
Good morning all. I'm Reshma from Srinana Civil School. I'm an 8th standard student. Yesterday was a very remembering day for me. Really, I was not knowing about the value of time. I was really wasting it. From yesterday onwards, I told my father that the class was so nice. The sir was explaining it too detailedly, so we were able to understand it. And my father told me to attend the class and acquire some knowledge. That's all what I understood yesterday.
First of all, let me introduce myself as Chandralekha. Yesterday I discussed these things with my brother, and he was so surprised to hear that there is one branch like
Indian Engineering Service, and he told that he has never heard of such thing, and he was so happy that I could gain some knowledge by attending this class, and he told that if I could again gain something like this, he would be very happy to hear this, and he would help me to improve my knowledge by writing the news from the newspapers, helping me to not waste my time. So that's all. Thank you.
That's good. What is nose, what is lips, right? How many of you have seen that? Why? You didn't have dictionary? Eh? You didn't have dictionary? Did you write it in your book? Nose. Show me. Did you write nose in your book? Did you write? Did you write? Did you write? Eh? ഇന്നലെ നോസും ലിപ്സും ബുക്കിൽ എഴുതിയിട്ടുള്ളത് കാണിച്ചത്. That's why I told you when I say something, if you don't write, you will forget. Right? You should have 2 habits to become the best student. Habit number 1. Take notes. Habit number 2. Make notes. Take notes and make notes. You will see some paper reporters will go and attend programs, seminars, some politician speech. They will always have a recorder. Or maybe earlier days they had a pen and paper with them. They'll keep note of everything. Do you think a paper reporter knows about all the subjects in the world? And what do? They'll write down some points and then they'll go back, refer, and then write so nicely in the newspaper. Whenever somebody reads, it becomes so attractive, right? What is the ability for a journalist? Taking notes and making notes. Okay? So if you are a good student, if you want to be a good student, there are 2 habits which you should cultivate. Write down. I told you yesterday, don't think that I know this. No, I know, yeah. Why should I think about it? That is different from knowing is different from knowing is different from learning. You know the way to reach your house, right? Yes? Will you be able to write it down so that can be given to somebody else? With that note, without asking anybody, will they be able to reach your house? Yes? So from here, okay, you are giving the note to your friend. He should take that note and reach your house. Write down. You must tell every detail so that they will reach your house. They should not ask anybody else. Just look at it. Got it? Full direction. From this school, from this place, you are hand-overing the note to somebody. With that note, you should travel all the way. Okay? And see that they reach your Ernakulam. Yes, Ernakulam. What is wrong? Yeah, from here. What is the mode of transport? How much time it will take? Now assume the time is at 9:35 now. 9:35 if you start, what are the modes of transport? Where it can reach? Okay, don't say that you go down and your taxi driver will take you and then give you the address, he will reach you there. Don't finish like that. You have to take public transport. You don't have any gate. You will have to take transport. You don't have to walk all the way. You can take all the public transports and see how do you reach. You must know how much money you should have. You must know what are the public transport, when it will be available, approximately how much time it takes. This is what is real geography. We will conduct a geography quiz once. Okay? Most interesting quiz ever I had in my life was geography quiz.
I have at the top written city region and here also region. You don't have to worry because for All India service you don't require to know the region news. It's not at all important what happens in Ambalappuzha, whether the bus hit an auto and one person lost his leg or not, doesn't matter. Okay? Unless he is your relative, don't bother about it. Now state, don't have to bother much. Leave it for the time being. We will add it later. Because you will have to spend 1 hour if you start reading state news itself, you will spend a lot of time. So skip that also. Then go to southern region. That means all the Hyderabad, Chennai, okay, all the southern states news. That also you can skip. Variety southern region. There will be some interesting science news and all that you can read. Just have a look at it. Something interesting you could note down. Otherwise skip that also for the first 1 month. Second month we will add all that. Next, news. National news. You will see the national news. And which is the main news in the national news? Big font, thick font, right? Identify 1, 2, 3 newses. Where is it reported from? One from New Delhi, another from New Delhi, another from New Delhi. All 3 from New Delhi. Because all the national news comes from capital. But some finance news will come from Mumbai because financial capital for India is Mumbai. Okay? So you will know all that. Then turn to the next one, which is called the again. You have Sunday special articles, or you have got editorial, open page, all that you can read and at least understand the title. If you don't read also not. And you have open page. That means people can write. Not the paper fellow. Some people have written, some professors must have written. Long live the good. If you don't know. Very nice. If you don't know as many words as you want, you can fill it up in your vocabulary book. So you know how much time you have to spend, right? Then you will also see advertisements. What is that?
KVPY.
What for KVPY advertisement came? 3 parts. Up to here 1, from here to here 1, from here to here 1. 3 parts. Now your drawing will become exact geometry. Very easy to draw the face. You know the trick now, right? Analyze. See. if you have to wear a glass, this is where we will keep our frame, right? Yes? And you can see little above will be your eyebrow. You understood? Now, did you analyze your face like this so far? With a geometric analysis on face will give you a clue for drawing. Do it, I said. Because learn. All the stage, standing on the stage, you must get rid of that fear of coming to stage and doing anything. Do it fast. Yeah. See here. Do it. Do it. Yeah, do it. Do it. Do it. Otherwise you are going to be here. No lunch break. You are going home. Do it. Dance. Who are all there who didn't come to stage? All of you. Go. Go all the people who didn't come to stage. Stand up. Go all of you. Go. Those who want to join them, they can join. Good dancers. Very fast. Fast. One on the stage. Very fast. Don't waste time. You are wasting time. Everything has got some reason for making you to do it. Do it. Come closer. Spread well. Don't touch each other. I am rectificating many times. Don't make me do that. Stop. Lift your hands up. Symmetry. Asymmetry. Symmetry. Asymmetry. Symmetry. Asymmetry. Legs also should move. Symmetry and asymmetry. Okay? Legs. Symmetry. Asymmetry. Lift it like this also. No problem. You can do that. Yeah. Symmetry. Asymmetry. Symmetry. Asymmetry. Yeah, do it fast. Yourself. They will all come to you, take your notes and give a black star mark. So, with your notebook, go there. Get a black star mark. The number of black stars. Understand for everything what I ask you to do, if you are not doing it, you will get black star marks. Number of black star marks will decide whether they will continue with us or not next year. If you get more star marks, you are out of us. Because we can't handle 100 people, 140 people. I was telling Subodhji, we will have only 50 people next year. So if there are 120 people, 70 of them will go from us. You have to be active in anything what happens. You have to be active in dance, you have to be active in singing, you have to be active in writing poems, articles, drawing, every activity.
Thank you. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ സാർ പറഞ്ഞു ഇമാജിനേഷൻ ഈസ് ദ പവർ ഓഫ് ലേണിംഗ്. അതും എനിക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു. പിന്നെ ഒരു സബ്ജക്റ്റിന് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടേണ്ടത് അത് പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്ന ടീച്ചറെ കണ്ടോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അത് ടീച്ചർ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്ന രീതി കണ്ടോ ഒന്നുമല്ല, ആ സബ്ജക്റ്റിനോട് നമുക്ക് സ്വയം ഒരു ഇഷ്ടം തോന്നണം. എപ്പോഴും പഠിക്കുന്ന ക്ലാസ്സിൽ മൂവിയൊക്കെ കാണാൻ പോകുമ്പോൾ നേരത്തെ പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്നത് പോലെ ഒരു ക്ലാസ് അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുമ്പോൾ നേരത്തെ അതിന് വേണ്ട കുറച്ച് കാര്യങ്ങളെങ്കിലും നമ്മൾ പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് അതിനോട് ഇഷ്ടം തോന്നും. അതൊക്കെ സാർ പറഞ്ഞു തന്നു. താങ്ക് യു സാർ. ദെൻ സാർ പറഞ്ഞു എ ഗുഡ് ലേണർ ഈസ് എ ഗുഡ് ടീച്ചർ ആൻഡ് എ ഗുഡ് ടീച്ചർ ഈസ് ഓൾവേസ് എ ഗുഡ് ലേണർ. ദാറ്റ്സ് ഓൾ.
Good.
ഇനി ആരാണ് വരുന്നത്? ഞാൻ വിളിക്കാൻ തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾ എഴുന്നേറ്റ് പോന്നോളൂ. വിളിക്കണം, പേരെടുത്ത് വിളിക്കണം.
ഞാൻ ഫർസാന, ഐ ആം ഫ്രം കലോൾ GHSS. എനിക്ക് ഇവിടുത്തെ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് വളരെയധികം ഇഷ്ടമായി. നമുക്ക് അറിയാത്ത പല കാര്യങ്ങളും അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ അറിഞ്ഞിട്ടും നമ്മൾ അറിയുന്നില്ല എന്ന് കരുതിയ പല കാര്യങ്ങളും നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് തിരിച്ചറിയാൻ പറ്റിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതായത് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഒരു പാട്ട് കേൾക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ തന്നെ അതിനെ ഏതൊക്കെ തരത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ ഫീൽ ചെയ്യണമെന്ന്, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഒരു നല്ല മനുഷ്യൻ നന്നായിട്ട് ബ്രത്ത് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരാളായിരിക്കും എന്ന് സാറ് പറഞ്ഞു. നല്ല ഫർസാന, ഐ ആം ഫ്രം കലോൾ ഗവൺമെന്റ് ഹയർ സെക്കൻഡറി സ്കൂൾ. First of all, I am saying sorry that I have not a well English. Okay.
Your English is good.
Thank you.
Speak.
I am very interested to speak here now, and the best thing I found from here that the eyes, different colors of eyes and different color for skin. That was a new knowledge for me. I have never heard about it anymore, and I had met many new friends here, and the great TP Shashikumar sir, and the best inspire for me that he had graduated from several degrees. Yesterday I told my mom that I also want to take such degrees in my life, like MBBS. I am very fond of that. I need it. I want to be an oncologist with IAS. Thank you. You inspired me a lot, sir.
Shreya. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shreya, and I am Shreya, and I am from SU Central School. The most interesting thing that I understood from this class was that we can make so many questions from just a sentence, or just from a word we can get so many questions from that. And the two good habits of the students for learning is taking notes and making notes. That I got from here. And for everything we want a correct description, and about it we want to explain very nicely so that others will get understand. Then today I also understood that how to read a newspaper and how to make questions from it, and how it's divided into so many categories like GK, current affairs, geography. So many things we'll get from just one headline. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Jay Krishna. I am studying in 9th standard in Mariamudi Central School, Ambalappuzha. I get lot of information from this class. Sir told us about the reading of newspapers in different ways, and writing the meanings of the words, like singing, etc. He inspired me a lot. He told us to make 5 books to write different subjects like this.
So how many of you adjusted?
Violet adjustment.
You are not violent, yeah? Why are you worried? He is seeing whether he is violent or not. Okay, good. Come out.
Right. No exchange hands. Hold it straight. Right, not like this. Normal hand. Leave your hands. Hold. From this posture, normal. Good to viewing. Move carefully. That's great. Add one more.
King, let there be one leader.
Got it? Is it simple or difficult? If you know the